Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I am so excited. Today is my first video of Christmas decor of this season, and I am so excited because my friend Lisa is here and we are doing our yearly tradition where she comes over and helps me with my Christmas tree. If you watched my channel last year, you've seen the video where she came over and done that, and we are continuing our tradition. It was so funny because on our Facebook memories, it showed up that 8 years ago, she was at my house on this exact day, helping me with my tree. That's how long we've done that and longer. So I'm so glad you're here. Stay tuned. Today's video is a collaboration with two very, very sweet ladies, and I will tell you a little bit more about them in just a few moments. I am so excited to be doing this Christmas collab with Traci over at Life is Traci Marie and Lindsay at Every 5 Years. These ladies rock it out. They are so fun. You have got to go check their channels out. I will have them listed in the description box below. So all you have to do is go down to that and click their links and go enjoy their videos and let them know I sent you. But Traci over at Life is Traci Marie does mommy content. She does real life messes, organization, grocery hauls, and cooking, and she is so fun to watch. I love watching her videos. She is very, very motivational, and she is a full-time working mama, so she has a lot of tips and tricks on how to navigate through that and be very successful at it. She is very good at that, so make sure you go check her out. And Lindsay over at Every 5 Years is apparently just an amazing cook. I want to go to her house and eat because she does really neat things where she takes like movies and she takes the food out of the movies and recreates them, and that is so neat to watch. She also has a blog, and she gives you tips and tricks over there of how to like plan in your planner, recipes, all kinds of things like that. And I'm a planner girl, so I totally love that. So make sure that y'all go check them out and give them some love. Thank you ladies so much for collabing with me today.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy.
So the girl who's sitting on the couch with the red hair is my daughter. Y'all have never seen this daughter on my YouTube channel before, but she's my oldest daughter. She is 26 years old. She looks like she's 15, but she's not. And her husband have just moved to our town because he got promoted, and they're waiting on their house to be flipped, so they're staying with us. And I have had so much fun with her being at home because she's not lived with me since she went off to college. So I'm really actually gonna hate to see her go, but you know, they have their own life.
Wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
So everybody has either went to bed or went home. I probably kept my friend Lisa here a little too long because she had an hour drive back home, but I was stingy with her because I don't get to hang out with her a whole lot. But it is about midnight at this time, and I am trying my hardest to get this room completed and everything cleaned up and put away because I have so much more Christmas decorating to do, and I just want to get it done so I can move on to other things.
The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place.
If you are still here, thank you so much for tuning in and hanging out with me and supporting my channel. If you are new to this channel, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button and turn the bell on for notifications so you'll know when all my new videos come out. I have tons of Christmas decor coming up. My next video is a front porch decorate with me, and I love how it turned out. I did a DIY, well actually a couple DIYs, and brought life back to a couple trees that I had, so that will be a fun video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for hanging out and coming back and supporting me.
Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say.
Y'all, I am in love with my tree. Oh my goodness, I just love when my friend Lisa comes She always does such a great job in helping me decorate it, and I just love how everything turned out. My house is just red and green and cheerful and bright, and it is just bringing me so much joy.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else.
So while me and Lisa was inside decorating, my husband was outside making that box that my tree is sitting in. Thank you so much, honey. Oh my gosh, I love it. It turned out so cute, and I was gonna paint it, and then I decided to just leave it the natural color. So I just want to thank my husband for being such a trooper and making that for me. I want to take a moment and just thank Lindsay and Traci once again for collabing with me on this video. I had so much fun. Thank y'all so much. Thank y'all for hanging out with me today. It has been such a fun day hanging out with all my friends and getting my decorations done. See y'all next time. Bye.
Come over here, now it is time.